Hi, Ditya. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay. Hi, how are you?
I am fine, ma'am. How are
Okay,
you?
can you hear my voice? I am fine. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, which class are you studying?
Ma'am, class 4.
Oh, class fourth.
Yes.
Okay. Hi, Ananya.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Which class are you studying, Ananya?
Ma'am, class 9.
I can't hear you. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible? Ma'am, am I audible?
Can you hear my voice?
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you're audible. Hi, Shrika. Hi, Akshita. Hi, Kaivalya.
Hare Krishna, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Radhe,
Hare
Radhe.
Krishna. How are you all?
Good, ma'am.
Good. Okay. Let's start our class. And Samyukta and Sanskruti also. Oh wow. Will you on your cameras? Because I'm new to the session, right? You all are new for me. Yeah, attending the classes, but I'm new to you, right? Hi, Mayan. How are you all? Fine. I hope you all are fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Even I teach for the kids. I'm a teacher. I teach for the kids. So nice to see you all. Who is this? Who is this? Oh, Mayan, why? What happened? Why are you very serious? Where is your smile? Ah, see, so cute. Okay, let's start our session.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. First, going to the session, let's do some recap. What you have learned in the last
Okay, ma'am.
session. Who wants to say? Who will say? Who will answer? Because last session, what? Oh, wow, Akshita. Nice. Akshita, will you
Ma'am,
please?
we learned how to chant and meditation, how to make our
Can you
soul
say it louder,
happy.
Akshita? I'm not able to hear you better.
Ma'am, we learned how to do meditation
Oh, wow.
and how to make our soul happy.
Oh, wow. And did
Like
you learn
Hare
about the
Krishna.
three gunas?
That's the past class, ma'am. Monday's class. Last Monday's.
Yeah. Okay. So you all are doing your meditation then? Oh, wow. Ditya, you also want to speak something? Shrika, Ditya.
Yes, ma'am. In last class, we have learned the good habits and how to make our goals and dreams powerful.
Oh, wow. And next, who want to answer? Okay. I got nice answers from you all. Okay, before starting the class, you have learned about how to do the meditation, how to keep our soul happy. So you know what is the soul and what is the body, right? Okay. Let's do some activity. You all like to do the activities? Okay. So I'll say something you have to do. Even I will also do with you. Okay. First, where is your head? Touch your head. Can you touch your head? Where are your ears? Ears. Wow. We have 2 ears. And where are our eyes? Eyes. And where is our nose? Okay. Now you know with this all. But where are you now? Right now, where are you?
In our
Where are
home.
you? In our home? In your home?
In our home.
Okay.
In my home.
In my home.
And you are attending the... Wow. And you all are attending the classes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in your home. What is the proof that you are at your home and you are attending your classes? Hi, Param. How are you?
Fine.
Fine. Wow. Then I want a nice smile on your faces. Please, I want a nice smile. Everyone. So now we'll come into the topic. How do I know that you are in the class? How can I say?
By seeing us, ma'am.
Wow. I'm seeing you all, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, but you know that you are a soul and we are the body. Our soul is covered with the body, right? What are the bodies?
Yes.
So, gross body and the subtle body. Okay, you want to answer to me? I'm all giving that, right? Okay. First, we see whatever we are seeing is that the eyes, the nose, the cheeks, everything is the gross body. So you all know that how is the gross body made? Means our body, of the outer part of the body, how is it made? It is made up of...
air, water, fire,
Okay, Mayan want to say.
air.
Okay, Mayan, will you say? You have raised your hand, no?
Ma'am, we are made of sand, they tell.
You are made up of
Sand.
sand. Okay.
They
Okay,
tell.
you are saying that. You are saying that. Shrika, you want to say?
Ma'am, our gross body is made of fire, ether, air, water,
And where we build our houses? On the...
on the earth.
We are made up of 5 elements. What are they? Earth, air, water, fire, and ether. So these are the 5 elements. Not only that, this is our gross body. Inside the gross body, there is a one more body. What we call it as? We call it as subtle body. And subtle body is made up of 3 elements. What are they? Mind, intelligence, and false ego. Okay. And inside that, there is a soul. Okay, we'll see about the... Now, till now we thought that... Okay.
Ma'am, we are also made up of blood organs.
Okay. We are made up of...
Blood organs, brain.
Yeah, those all organs. These all things are nothing but they are made up of 5 elements. Whatever the body, how our body is running, because of these 5 elements. Because of the air, we can't live. Without water, we can't live. Ether, everything. These are all 5 elements we need to even to breathe or to walk, everything. These are. And now, coming to that, now, we thought that, now, till now, we thought that we are a soul, but we are in the body. Okay, coming to the, these are the 5 elements, and next is the subtle body, right? The subtle body is made up of 3 elements. What are they? Mind, intelligence, and false ego. Okay, now, what is mean by the false ego? Can anybody say what is meant by false ego?
Fake ego.
I'll say. But suppose this is our class, you think as I am the teacher and I made a monitor of someone. I say that you handle the class for 5 minutes, I'll go out and come. So what do you think? You say you make the class calm, right? You make the class calm and you say that I am the leader, so you have to listen to me, right? You all think, right? If I make anyone, even I make Shrika or Mayan, everyone, Ditya, anyone, Kaivalya, even anyone I make, you think that I am the leader, so I am the superior, so you have to listen to me because teacher has made me the monitor. So what is this I am? This is our false ego. This is our false ego. Means we are thinking that I am the superior. But we know that, what is it? We know that we are not the body, we are the soul. But because of the subtle body, whatever the mind, intelligence and the false ego ego is covering us. That we are thinking that I am the superior. But, okay, now thinking ourselves superior is good. We are covered with, is it good? Akshita? Kaivalya,
No.
sorry.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Why? What happens if we think we are the superior?
Will not be able to see the reality properly.
Not able to see the
Reality.
reality.
negative.
Wow. Okay. So we have to see the reality. We have to see the reality means what we have to do? We have to follow the subtle body, the three elements. What we have to
Control
follow?
our negativity.
We have to follow our intelligence. Right? Then last class we have learned that about the good habits. Means we have to use the good habits means we can't use the false ego. False ego considers the bad habits. Good habits means we have to take off the intelligence. Right? We have to follow the intelligence. What does the intelligence say? We have to listen the good habits. Right? It shows the right path. And next, shall I share my screen? Shall I share my screen? Okay. Next. Just a minute. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Thank you.
Ma'am, I can
So
see you on the share screen.
yeah,
Yes, I can see you also beside the screen.
okay, I'm also beside the screen. Wow. But I'm not able to see you. There is some issue with my laptop. Okay. Here, what is it? Who am I? What's my identity?
Man,
Who are we?
what
Yeah.
you're showing is not clear. It's not zoomed.
It's not Zoom. Wait.
I can only see your screen, man.
Just a minute. Now, can
Your
you see?
face can. No,
Can
ma'am.
you see? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. And what is the first one? Who am I? What's my identity? Who are we? We are the. Please answer no. I can't see you all.
Things.
Humans.
Ma'am, we are the
Humans. Okay. We are the humans. We are
ma'am,
made
we
up
are
of.
the soul.
Wow. Who said we are the soul? Good job. Yeah, we are the soul. But what is happening? We are thinking the human beings. Why? Because our false ego is covering us. We have learned, right? The subtle body is made up of three elements: mind, intelligence, and false ego. Because of the false ego, we are thinking that I am the body and not I am not the soul. But we are actually the soul. So who am I? And this is my identity. That what is my identity? I am the soul. This is my identity. Next. Okay. Now, there is a nice question. Why is it important to know about the soul?
For
Why
satisfying.
is it important? We have done an activity right now. we have done an activity before, just starting for the
To know identity.
to know our identity. Yeah. And we have done an activity also, and we have done where are you also. And now here there is a, so to know our identity, that we know that our, but now after joining the class, we know that our identity, we are a soul. Before that, we used to think that I am the body, I am made up of these things, right? We used to think, it happens, no, for suppose, if example, before the joining the class, before this class, even I also used to think that I am a body, so I should be fit and fine. But after joining the class, I got to know that I am the soul when I've done my course. So the same is happening with you all, right? I couldn't hear you. Are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank- Are you able to
Yes,
understand my?
ma'am.
Are you
Yes,
able to understand
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Thank
ma'am.
you. If anything
Yes,
is
ma'am.
there,
Yes, ma'am.
please ask. No.
ma'am.
And now, here in the shloka, Bhagavad Gita shloka 7.4. Shall I read this one?
Yes, ma'am.
See here, what is there? We'll see. Bhumirapo nalo vayu kammano buddhireva cha ahankara itiyam me binna prakriti dashtata. And what is here in the Bhagavad Gita? They are saying that our we have learned, right, the gross body. The gross body is made up of earth, water, fire, air, and ether. So these are the 5 elements. And mind, intelligence, and false ego are the 3 elements made up of the subtle body. All together, these 8 constitute, means these all are making our subtle body and the gross body. They are separated into the different, means what is happening, for example, when a body, when someone passed away, and the body will be left over, but the 3 elements, whatever the mind, intelligence, and false ego are there, that will be going with the soul. We all know, right? When someone passed away, the soul will be left. With the soul, the mind, intelligence, and false ego will be going. Means whatever the karmas we are doing, the good karmas, it will be settled in the subtle body. So whatever the good actions will be doing, that will be going with our soul. If we do, we all know that we are doing good. What are the good actions? Whatever the good habits we follow, those all are the good actions. Next, coming to that one, now we'll see here 3 layers of identity. What are the 3 layers of identity? One is the gross body, one is the subtle body, and one is the soul. So, we all know that the characteristics of the gross body. How we look from outside means, how we look outside means what our eyes we have seen, what is the gross body. And next, coming to that one, see, the gross body is made up of earth, water, fire, air, and ether. And the subtle body. And the subtle
Ma'am,
body
what is
nothing.
meaning of ether?
Ether means water. Shall I answer you afterwards?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not getting that correct word. That's why I'm told you. Okay. Mind, intelligence, false ego. These are making our subtle body. See, we can see the face, right? Face of the person is written. And what is the first line? The outer line is the gross body. And the next, whatever the dotted line is the subtle body. And inside both the things, both the bodies, there is a soul. And how is the soul? Shall we learn the characteristics of the soul? This is our gross body. This is our, before going to that one, we'll see this one, the subtle body. Here, what is the mind is saying? Mind is jumping for the desires. How is the desires means? For example, you want to eat an ice cream, or you want to eat anything, you get the desire right in your mind, and you say your mama that mama, I want to eat an ice cream. Now you Shallow, let's go to the shop. Or someone wants to eat something katta. So you say that mama, let's go and eat something, right? These are the desires. How are the desires? They are coming in our mind. And what is a false ego? We have seen, right? I am the superior. I am the body. I am the superior. So these mind and the false ego, they are diverting us. But what is showing us the correct way? Correct path? Which one is showing the correct path? Is the mind or
Intelligence.
false ego? Intelligence.
Intelligence.
Wow. Very good. Intelligence is showing what is right, what is wrong. It is balancing us. So we have to think that when the intelligence is showing that both the right, you want the right one or you want the wrong one. Well, obviously we think of the right one because we all are good children, right? And next, coming to that one, now we'll see about this is the characteristics of the soul. I'll just make it small. How are the characteristics of the soul? The soul will be very happy. Whatever the things are happening with us, for example, we think that someone came and if your friend told that, no, I don't want to speak to you, or your friend came and asked you that, give me a pencil. You are having only one pencil and you can't give. And your friend say that, I'll not be your friend because you are not giving the pencil. And what you feel? You feel sad, right? You feel sad. Why my friend left me? Or you are very, or you ask your mama to give me to make something, prepare something, but your mama was not able to prepare, and you'll feel sad. And if something happy happens because someone came, you got a holiday or something, you feel happy, or you're going to some trip. These all the happy and the sad things, whatever the things are happening, that is happening with the outer body. But what about the soul? Soul is Sat Chit Anand. How is the soul? Soul is eternal. Neither there is no beginning, nor there is an end. And the soul, it can't be sad, it will be happy, it is eternal. And we can't cut the soul. The body dies, but the soul not dies. It is eternal and it will stay forever. It will move from one body to other. Just like we all buy the clothes. You all buy the clothes? Nice dress you want to buy. You like the dress and you all buy, right? If any festival come, you buy a dress? Buy the dress?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Wow.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, you use the dress for 1 or 2 years. And what happens? It becomes old, the color fades out, or it gets teared. What happens? It gets worn out. What you'll do? Do you remove the dress?
Remove it.
Yes, we'll remove the dress. And the same like that only. The soul is also moving from one, because why is it is leaving our body? Just like we remove the clothes, right? The old cloth is spoiled out. It got torn, and we are not able to wear. The same happens with the soul. It moves from one body to another. And how is the soul? Not only Sat, it is eternal, because it is moving from one place. It can't die. Our human body, the gross body will move away, but will pass away. But the soul can't. And what is the next one? Chit. Chit is nothing but knowledge. Whatever the knowledge we are gaining, it is the soul is giving us. Our intelligence, whatever the intelligence we are having, whatever the knowledge we want, the soul is giving us. And next is, because the soul is full of knowledge. And for example, are you excited for the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
now, I think now your schools will be started, right? You're going to the another session, another class, right? Are you curious to know what is happening in the school? What type of books you are getting? Are you all curious?
School has been started, ma'am.
Oh, school has been started.
We are
Okay,
going
okay.
daily. It's been 15 days.
Mom, it started before
Okay.
2 weeks.
Oh, you have started before 2 weeks. Your holidays are done. Nothing, no worries. Again, you'll get the holidays also. It
May
happens, no?
25th, my school started, Mom.
Ah,
Ma'am,
yeah, your school
Ma'am,
started. Your school
Ma'am,
started. I
ma'am,
think
my
you
school
got a new
started
class
after
also.
1 week.
Tomorrow I have
Okay. I am also
Ma'am,
going
my
for.
school is not even there. We
Okay,
already
okay,
have
okay.
holiday. They gave us holiday.
Ah. And now even in the Telangana, we had stay in Hyderabad. In Hyderabad also the
hello.
Mom, you're paused.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
you
you're
paused.
stuck. Ma'am, you're
You
stuck.
paused.
Ma'am, you have paused your video.
Ma'am is
Ma'am,
not
your
stuck.
video is paused and we can't even hear you.
Ma'am is paused.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Ma'am, we can't hear you and your video is paused.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Hare Krishna, everyone. Please wait a while. Ma'am will be joining soon, as I think she have a network error. Okay, so please wait. Ma'am will be there soon. Okay.
Yeah. Ma'am, before you was paused.
Yes, ma'am is still post actually. I'm Anupriya. I'm another teacher. Okay, I'm Anupriya. So yes, we are waiting for ma'am for a while, and please be patient. Okay. We can talk till ma'am is joining again. Uh, what do you learn past two sessions? Have you enjoyed your Bhagavad Gita sessions, or have you learned any verse from Bhagavad Gita? Any one of you? No? Really? Anybody? Okay, so ma'am is here. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, you are on mute actually. Okay, let me
Sorry,
make
sorry.
you.
Ma'am, I've connected from my phone,
It's okay, ma'am. Carry on.
but I can't show the slides, ma'am.
Okay, so you are not able to present slideshow?
Yeah. No.
Your
Ma'am,
video is again paused.
Ma'am, I think ma'am can't share
Yes.
because Kaivalya is the host, I guess.
Okay.
Second,
Yeah.
Kaivalya is the host.
Am
Who
I
is
the
host?
host? No, I'm not.
Kaivalya. Kaivalya, can you make a ma'am host or can you make me host? Do you
Okay.
know how to do it?
No, I don't.
No, okay. Okay, you have to go on the participants option.
Yeah, just a second.
Okay. Tap on the name of me or tap on the name of ma'am.
Participants is name.
Okay. While you will be tapping on the name of me, Anupriya, or Kruti ma'am, you will get the option of make co-host or host. So you can make me host, or yes, you can make me host. Thank you so much, Cavalier. So you learned a new thing today. Okay, Kruti ma'am, are you able to take this session now? Okay, so I think ma'am have a poor connection today, but it's okay. So I wanted to know if you have learned any verse from Bhagavad Gita, like first verse of Bhagavad Gita. How many of you can complete the verse? I will recite a word of that verse, and you can say the next word. Okay, is it fine? Okay, so I will recite from first word.
Ma'am, I have not
Dhritarashtra.
understood.
Sorry, Cavalier, what?
I have not understood.
Okay, you okay, didn't understand. Yes, I was saying that I will recite a shlok from Bhagavad Gita, a word, and you can complete after me. But ma'am is already here, so I will not interrupt again. Sorry, ma'am. Okay,
Ma'am, I'm
please
not able
carry
to
on.
share the screen.
Ma'am,
Kruti
because
ma'am, are you not able?
Yeah, ma'am, you're
ma'am,
audible.
Anupriya ma'am, you're
Kruti
the
ma'am, you
host.
want me to
That's it.
share you want me to share the screen?
Yeah, ma'am, if possible, please share, no?
Okay, okay, let me try once. Give me a second. You can carry on without screen till then. I'm trying to share it
Okay,
as soon as
okay.
possible.
So where were we? I missed out you all. Where were
Uh,
we? Can anybody say where did I stop? Suddenly it got disconnected, no? Who wants to answer? Because I forgot what I said. Because I don't know no, where
ma'am,
exactly.
ma'am, we were in that like
Satchitanand.
yeah,
Okay, it is
that
about the
slide.
soul characteristics, right?
Yeah,
Soul. Okay. And how is the soul now? Tell me, how is the soul?
the soul doesn't die. It just
Yeah,
goes into
wow.
a new body.
It is eternal. It is
Yes,
Anand,
it's
bliss,
eternal.
knowledgeable.
And all the knowledge we get from the soul only.
Oh, wow. And the last one was the soul is very. Is the soul happy or sad?
Happy.
Blissful.
Wow.
Blissful, ma'am.
The soul is very happy. If the soul is happy, we are also happy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am, it's not connected. We are eternal. No, sorry, we are external. Soul is internal.
Soul is eternal. Soul is happy. Soul is very knowledgeable, right? Okay. And now I'll ask you one question. Take it. Yeah. Ma'am is sharing. I was sharing the screen.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Ma'am, just ma'am, this one is the another one, ma'am. We got.
Oh, sorry, sorry.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, you carry on till now. I'm just checking the PPT and sharing within 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay. ma'am. So, till now we have done the activity. Shall we do the recap of that one? The gross body, subtle body, and the soul, right? We have learned the characteristics of the soul. And how is the gross body made up of?
It's made of air,
Tantra.
water, fire, earth, ether.
Ether, right? And subtle body?
Intelligence,
Hmm.
mind, and false ego.
Wow. And what about the characteristics of the soul?
Eternal, like eternal, intelligent, no knowledge, and the last one. And it was Ananda, but I forgot what was the meaning.
Bliss.
Is it the right PPT, ma'am?
Ma'am, we were in the PPT of the characteristics of the soul, ma'am.
Okay. On which slide?
11th
Like,
one, ma'am. 11th one is done, ma'am. We'll be going to the 12th one, 12th slide. This you all got, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, you also all intelligent, very intelligent. So you are following your intelligence, right? Ma'am, the next slide, ma'am. This one is done. So here in this PPT, let's in this slide we'll see that there are so many dresses, right? Okay. If you go to a party or if you go to a function, do you all get ready? You all
Yes.
get ready? You wear the
Yes,
clothes?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just think of this. These are the three dresses. The first one is the upper part. We wear, right? Whatever we see, the outer part only. We don't know what we are wearing. If example, I'm going to a party, I'm wearing a dress and a sari, everything, or the dress, nice lehenga. What is happening? The outer part only you can see, right? You see my dress, or you are going anywhere. I wear a nice color dress. You see that, wow, she's wearing a nice dress. So we only see that. So just like our dress, the outer dress, the gross body, we think it as a gross body. How is a gross body? It is, we all know that it is made up of 5 elements: earth, water, fire, and ether. And next, coming to that one, inside also there is a one thing we are wearing. How is it? Inside one dress is there, and that one is made up of 3 things. What are they? That is subtle body. How is it made up of? It is made up of 3 elements: mind, intelligence, and false ego. And next, the last one, the inside, the completely inside one, we call it as soul, right? The soul is made, how is the soul we have seen? It is very happy. It is eternal. Sat means it is eternal. It is full of knowledge and it is, every time it is happy, blissful. So, now we know that there are 2 bodies we have learned, right? Gross body, subtle body, and soul. Ma'am, next slide, ma'am. I'll ask you one question. You tell me, we have learned that the gross body and subtle body and soul. So do you all agree that we have 2 bodies and 1 soul? Okay.
No,
Mayan
ma'am.
is saying yes.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, Shrika said no.
Me too,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
because we are not the body, we are the soul, so we don't have any
Yes,
body.
we are the soul. Right? And why we thought that it is that we are having 2 bodies and 1 soul?
Ma'am,
Someone said,
because
Mayan said, right?
because it's like
that
gross bodies, subtle body, they both are a body.
So what
that's
is happening? Our false ego is covering us. Right? We are thinking that now we are made up of 2 bodies, gross body and subtle body. But we know that our intelligence saying that no, but we are one, that is the soul. Just the soul has taken the body, right? If the soul is living, for example, you think that someone has passed away, then the soul will leave, right? The
Yes,
soul
ma'am.
is taking the subtle body with it and taking the other body, right? Ma'am, Anupriya, ma'am, another slide, ma'am. So the soul is only one. Just a minute.
Do I need to go on the next slide, ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay,
Next slide.
sorry.
No, no, no. Okay. This one we have done, right? I'm a soul. I have a body. I am a body. I have a soul. We have done, right? We are only one. That is the soul. Who is saying that we are the soul? Our?
Intelligence.
Wow,
Intelligent.
Kaivalya, nice. Yes. Ma'am, next slide, ma'am. Okay. So here, this is an interesting topic. Okay. If someone, for example, you think that you want to go somewhere, right? You want to go somewhere, or if you are feeling hungry, right? What do you do? If you want to go somewhere, you will go, right? You'll ask your parents, Mama, let's go here. We go to the park. Or the second one is that if you are feeling hungry, you'll ask whom? You'll ask your mama, right? You know that you are feeling hungry. And how we are getting this all one? How we are getting this one? Your thinking, your feelings, and you are willing to go, you are willing to do something. Where are we getting these all things? We are getting from our consciousness. How will get this consciousness?
From the
For
presence
example,
of
yeah, Shrika, you are on mute.
from the presence of the soul.
Presence of the soul, yeah. Okay, we are the human beings. Okay, we are the soul. We know that because of the soul only, we are having that consciousness. For example, we have a robot in the home. Can the robot do? Can robot do the thinking? Can
No,
it
ma'am.
feel?
Yes, ma'am, it can. It thinks.
Ma'am,
can
it
think.
can think, but without consciousness.
Why
Yes.
it can do okay, without the consciousness? We are giving the
Because-
command, go robot, go there and bring that
Because-
glass of water.
But it
Doesn't
doesn't
have characteristics of a
Ma'am,
human being.
it is not a human being.
Yeah, because there is no soul in the robot, right? But we are having a soul. That's why we are having the consciousness, right? What if we don't have the soul? Then there is no thing. They'll become a robot, right? Even whatever the things are there at home, even the TV also we operate. Even the TV has a soul.
No.
We are, for example, I'm using the laptop to take the classes. Is the laptop has a soul?
No, ma'am.
No, it is listening to my commands and it is following, right? It is not using its brain.
Yes.
It is not having any feelings. Why? Because it is just a machine. Okay. Ma'am, next slide, ma'am. Anupriya, ma'am. Okay. Now, we'll see that nowadays, if we want to prove anything, we'll ask for the scientific and logical proofs, right? Right? You all ask, no? Okay. If someone comes and say that tomorrow is a holiday, you said that what is the proof? Everything, for everything we need, right? We'll be curious. We'll be
Yes.
thinking of logical. So first we'll see the logical proofs. See, first now it is saying that there is a what is the worth of our body? What is our worth? Shall we see? Are you curious to know what is that? We'll go with the logical thing. So you all do the activities. We have done the activity right before also. You all do the projects. You all do the activities. If teacher gives the activity, you all do.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
here,
ma'am.
Dr. Harry Monson, he was a doctor. He was a great doctor. And what he did, he was very curious. He liked to do the experiments. And what he did, he done an experiment on on our body. Anupriya ma'am, next slide ma'am. he did a experiment on our body, and he was thinking that he wants to know that what is the worth of our body. Okay. Anupriya ma'am? Ma'am is on mute. See here. And what is he? He was a professor of anatomy. Professor means you all know, right? He has studied a lot. Then he was a doctor. And what was he doing? He was became very curious. Why I am doing the experiments? Let's do the experiment on our body. And what he found, we all know, right? In the school they say our body is made up of 60% of water. Right? We have to drink a lot of water. Right? But what is happening? Most of the human body is made up of water. And for example, you think that 60-pound person, there are about 5 pounds of calcium and 1.5 pounds of phosphate and 9 ounces of potassium. So these all he found in the human body. What he did to bring that one? He did the experiment on a dead body. He brought a dead body to his lab and did the experiment. What did he found? He found the calcium. He found the percentages. Okay, this pound, this much is the phosphate, this much is the potassium, sulfur, sodium, magnesium, and iron, copper, iodine. These all are the minerals we found in our body. We found in the body. And this all together, can you say how much it may cost? Ma'am, Anupriya ma'am, next slide ma'am. And see, here, all together he said that our worth is 110 rupees or 150 to 200. Means you think that the dead body was almost 30 kgs. 30 kgs means he said that 110. We may be more than 30 kgs. So we are just 30 kgs. We are just that much only. Are we 110 rupees? Are we made up of 110 rupees? No. Are we precious? Are we
No.
precious? We are not precious. As Ditya, right. We are precious. Why we are precious? Because we are made up of what is inside us? We are
So,
soul.
We are soul.
It's
Yes,
soul.
ma'am. Bones.
We are very
We are bones.
okay. For example, I'll tell a story. There were two friends going in different cars. One is going in one car and one is going in a BMW. And what happened? The person who was going in the BMW, he got accident. He got the accident. Okay. Now, the person was going in another car, no? It was a BMW car. It was very costly. You know now, right? Will the person save his friend or the car? Whom will he save? If you are in that place, whom will you save?
My friend.
Why? Why you will save? Because, yeah.
I wish to save both, but I can only save one.
Okay, you can only save one. Okay.
Ma'am, my
And
friend.
that you save your friend. Mayan said,
Ma'am, I want to save my
Shrika.
friend.
Shrika will save your friend. Okay, why will you save your friend? Car was very costly, but you are saving your friend. Can I know? Because who will answer? Shall I answer? Because we have a soul
our
in our
body is reacting to do that.
Huh?
Our soul is telling us to do that.
Yeah, our soul is telling us, our consciousness is telling that save the other. Because why the friend is very precious. The car we can buy, but the friend is having a soul in him, right? Because of the soul is very precious, right? So because of our consciousness, because we are having the soul, we are having the consciousness. Because of the consciousness, we are thinking that, okay, we have to save our friend, not the car, right? Anupriya ma'am, next slide ma'am. Yeah, Arush, you want to speak?
Do we have feelings? Our feelings only can look.
Hi Arush. You have raised your hand. You want to say something?
Important
Mute
save
Arush.
important to save the soul, but not the car. Because costly or something else, we should save the soul.
Wow, Arush. Very nice. As we have to save the soul. Soul means nothing but the gross body, right? Your friend, right?
Oh yeah.
Not the car. Car is a material thing. Anupriya ma'am, next slide ma'am. Okay.
When a person dies, everyone says
When a
that
person dies, everyone says
gone, but
person has gone.
who
But
has gone
is right.
since the body
The body
is
is
still
still there.
there.
For example, we have heard, we have not seen this type of things, but we have heard, right? Someone passed away. Maybe you are living in a colony or somewhere. You listen, right? Arey, someone has passed in the third house, or if you are staying in the apartment or in a society, arey, in the second block, someone has passed away. Right? Passed away means they have left the body. They have left. But we think that here it is saying that the body is like that only. Right? But who went? The body is there only. They are saying that they went away.
The soul went.
Man,
The soul went. And the soul
the
went
soul
with?
went away.
Yes, the soul went with what?
Oh.
With the three
The subtle
elements.
body.
A subtle body. It is taking our mind, intelligence and false ego. The soul is taking our subtle body. The gross body is there only. Right? Now, the gross
Yes,
body
ma'am.
has any value? No. Right? Because it is not having any consciousness also. It can't work. Can't
When
move
a
his
person
hand.
dies,
Because
everyone says
only
that
the gross
person
body is
is
there. The soul is left.
has gone since the body is
Anupriya ma'am, next slide ma'am.
the soul. What happens after death?
Okay. Now we have seen this one also. What happens after death? The soul is leaving is going to the soul is taking another body. Just like we remove our old clothes and we wear the new clothes, right? It is in with the subtle body. Okay. After death, soul along with subtle body transmigrates from one body to another body. Like we discard old clothes and buy new ones. Our next body is decided on the basis of karma and desires. And what is happening, whatever means, it is depend upon our karma. For example, in this life, in somebody, think of me. I made a very bad things. Do I get and I passed one day. I've done a bad actions. What will happen if I do the bad actions? Do I get a good life? Do I get
No.
a good life in the next birth? I may
No.
get something. So what happened? To get the good, nice body or nice, if you want to get a new body, that is also very good one. So we have to do our karmas. What should be our karmas? That should be good karmas. Right? And how we'll get the good karmas? By
Doing good things.
doing good things. And what is the one good thing, can you say? We have learned in the class, right? You have said me last class you have learned. Ma'am, we have learned about that.
Do meditation.
Wow, to do
meditation.
meditation. Yes, to do meditation, and also not the meditation. We are reading the scriptures also. The scriptures are telling us the good things, right? Bhagavad Gita is also scripture, right? We are learning Bhagavad Gita.
Yes.
So it is telling. So because of that one, our actions, because of the good actions, we'll be getting a good, because everything is stored in the subtle body. And the subtle body is going with the soul. Right? Yeah. Ma'am, next slide, ma'am. Okay. And what is happening? Here, the soul is traveling in different species. And what are they? 84 lakhs of forms of lives are there. And 90,000 species living in the water. And
Ma'am, that's 9 lakh.
9 lakhs, sorry. 9 lakhs, sorry. And 2 lakhs, 20. What is the next one? Okay.
2 lakhs.
2 lakhs, okay, thank you. Non-moving and living entities such as trees and plants.
Ma'am,
Trees and
ma'am, it is 20 lakh.
20 lakhs, right? Thank you.
Yeah.
And next one is 1 lakh. Is it 10,000? No.
It's
Sorry,
11
I'm
lakh.
not-
Ma'am, it's
11
11 lakh.
11 lakhs, okay. 11 lakh species of insects and reptiles. Again, 10 lakh species of birds. 30 lakhs quadrupeds in varieties, and these all things. And 40, is it 4 lakhs or 40 lakhs? 4 lakhs, right? 4
4
lakhs
lakhs.
human species. And this one is written in the Padma Purana. And what is the soul doing? It is traveling to these 84 forms of life. And these forms of life, they come in the water, they come as a non-moving objects, and like the insects, reptiles. If we want to, means our soul is traveling. If we are doing the good karmas, good actions, we'll get our next body, right? If we do the good actions, good karmas, we may get again a human form, right? Because human form is having the consciousness, right? We know what is right, what is wrong. You all agree with me? Okay. Ma'am, Anupriya ma'am, next slide, ma'am. Okay. Now, till now we have learned about the proofs, no? One is the logical proof. That is the reincarnation. So, for suppose, one person we have learned, right? One person have passed away. He went with the, he left the body, he went to the another body. When we move to other body, can we remind the past things? Can we remember the past things?
No, ma'am, but some people will remember.
Sometimes it happens in the rare cases. And here it is.
Ma'am, ma'am, one of my ma'am's friend remembers all her past karmas.
Oh, wow. It is a reincarnation. And here we'll give an example of Shukla. Shukla, she was a 5-year-old child. And what was her name? Her name in the past life was Mana Chakrabarti. And whatever she remembered the house, her husband, her daughter, mother-in-law, everything. And she was giving the names also. She was taking the names of the family members from her past life because she has remembered her. The girl named Shukla. Because maybe that was remembered in the subtle body, right? We go with the subtle body. Whatever the past things we remember, right? Sometimes we all may not remember. Even I don't remember. But sometimes in rare cases, it happens, right? So it is a Shukla. She remembered her past. Ma'am, next slide, ma'am. And for example, we take that phobias. Did you heard about the phobia? Someone have to, if we go on the heights, we get scared of the moving on the heights. If someone taking to the water.
Ma'am, it's unlike the normal fear, ma'am.
Water drowning, then
Yeah.
the body has that memory because of which
For example, we
a
have,
8-year-old
we go
child
on the heights.
has fear of water.
And seeing the heights, we get scared. Even I get scared sometimes seeing the heights. Shrikar, nice smile. And even some kids, even we take some kids not to the water, they get scared. Why? Because we have listened, right? Whatever the intelligence it is taking, right? The subtle body is made up of three: mind, intelligence, and false ego, right? And whatever means this phobia or the height, seeing the heights, they are getting scared in this life because maybe in the past life they have passed away. They have lived the body because of this one. Someone has drawn in the water and left his body. Because of that, in the next birth, he has taken a human form and he gets scared of going near the water. And even if the heights of someone happened, if someone sees the fire and they get scared because of the fire accident, they may pass away, right? Because of that one, that is whatever the thing is there, it was in the intelligence. It was in their intelligence. Because of the intelligence, it is showing in the next birth, right? So whatever the past means, even if you have the phobia, I have the phobia of the heights. I have. Maybe I passed in the last life because of that one height, seeing the heights. Maybe something happened with me. I passed there. So that because of that one, it is showing in this life. Ma'am, next slide, ma'am. Okay. And here, see, there is out of body experience and near death experience. Out of body experience. What is out of body experience? We'll see. See, in the first one, there is a surgery going on, right? Surgery going on, and sometimes it happens. What happens? The person, for example, the one person got his, he was operated, and after coming back, he came into the consciousness. He was telling everything. This one, these many doctors are there with me. These many nurses are there. There were these many instruments they were using. They were operating this one. How can they say? The body was unconscious. Can
Because
the body
the soul
say?
was there.
Yeah. And what happened? The soul came out of the body. It is out of the body. See, there we can see, right? The soul is bending and seeing. Means the bending and seeing, what are they making? Not the gross body. The gross body is there only. The soul, because the soul is having the intelligence, right? The knowledge. Because of the knowledge, it is saying it is able to remember. So another one is the near-death experience. Sometimes it happens with the near-death experience. They almost go near the death and they come back. Ma'am, next slide, ma'am.
Ma'am, that looks scary.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
That looks scary.
Kaivalya, I am not able to hear you better. Please speak louder.
That
No?
doesn't look scary. I think it's a bit scary, Will.
This is the story. Shall we read a story? Shall we? You all want the story?
Story time.
You all want the story?
Not scary.
Yes, ma'am.
Only if it's not scary.
It's not scary. Oh, you're afraid of the
Sometimes
scary things.
it
You're scared of the
terrifies
scary
me.
things. Okay, here we'll see the cage and a parrot, right? We learned about the parrot story. Here we can see a old lady, right? And this old lady, she was very rich. And she was alone. She was very rich and she was very fond of birds. Happens, right? We are fond of birds or something. We all want to do. We all want to pet. Someone likes about the fishes. They all bring the fishes and keep as a pets, right?
One day
And
I saw a
this
cat.
lady- Huh?
One day I saw a cat.
Athav is speaking. I can't hear better, Athav. The next time I'll use my AirPods. Okay. This one, they'll see that. And this old lady, she went to she wants to keep the pet as a bird at home. Bird. She wants the bird. She likes the birds a lot. And one day what she did, she went to she was living in the city. She went to there in the city, she went to a nice shop of the birds. They sell the birds, right? She went to that shop and she wants to buy the bird. And she went and asked the shopkeeper, please give me a nice bird. And she was fond of parrots. She asked for the parrot. And what did she do after taking the parrot? She bought a golden cage. Because parrot moves here and there, no? And she wants a parrot because we also have the house. She thought that I'll keep the parrot in the cage. And what she did, she took the nice golden cage and she took the parrot and she went home. And what was she doing? And the parrot was talking very nicely. It was making the sounds, and the old lady was feeling very happy. And what was the old lady doing? It was cleaning the cage daily 4 times because it should be neat, no? We all like to be neat, right? And even the old lady thought that I'll keep the cage clean so the bird will be healthy. And what happened? After 2 days, it was okay. It was cleaning everything. After 3 to 4 days, the parrot became calm. It was not talking anything. And the old lady got scared. Arey, what happened? It got anxious. Arey, what happened with the bird? It is not speaking when I brought it. Okay, and what did the old lady do? It went again to the shopkeeper. And it said that, he went to the shopkeeper and said that, see, this bird became very calm. Why is it not speaking? And what did the shopkeeper ask? When we went to the doctor or they'll ask, no. The shopkeeper asked, did you take care of it? Yes, I took care of it. I cleaned the cage very nicely for four times a day, and I kept it very well. And what did the shopkeeper ask? Did you feed it anything? And what was the old lady? The old lady was surprised. Do I need to feed that one? And yes, you have to feed it. Otherwise, how can it survive? Right? Without eating, how can it survive, right? And the old lady was shocked. And now, the same with our thing. We'll take the example we have taken, no? The cage. The cage is our gross body. Right? The cage is our gross body. And the inside the parrot is there, no? We bound and kept it in the cage. That is, the parrot is nothing but our soul. Right? Right? Okay. If we go to any function, are you all understanding? Are you all okay? More 5 minutes I'll take. Okay. Do you go to a function? You get ready, right? You are going to the school, or anything. You take care of yourself. You see in your mirror. And if you want to eat anything, you'll ask your mama, right? Mama prepares a nice food. Mama, I want to eat the chole. I want to eat the cake, pizza. You asked, right? You ask your parents, right? If you want to go to your friend's house, you ask that. Because the gross body is asking. And the gross body is nothing but the cage. And what about the soul? We are giving the food to the soul. We are giving food to the parrot. Did the old lady give the food to the parrot?
By praying to God.
Okay. What can be the food to the soul?
Meditation.
Wow. Meditation, yes. Then give the food to... Because the parrot was very sad. It became sad because the parrot was... Why it was sad? It was not getting the food. Means... Even our soul is also, if you are not giving the food, what is happening with the soul?
It will get rotten inside. It will be like rotten apple.
It will become sad, right? The soul will become sad.
Yes, ma'am.
And how can we give the food? By doing the meditation and reading the...
Scriptures.
Yeah. So you all are giving the food to the soul.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, Shrika.
Only with the help of Bhagavad Gita class.
Okay, you're listening. That is also yes. In the Bhagavad Gita classes, we are learning new things, right? Today we are learned about what we are learned. Who will say? Shrika was answering. Now who will say?
Who are we? We are about to find who
Yeah,
are we.
who are we? And what is our
We are the soul.
identity?
Ma'am, we are the soul, and
Yeah, we are the
Um,
soul.
the gross body, settled body, and the soul. What are the what is it made of?
Okay. We are the soul. We are the soul, but we are having one body. And what about our consciousness? How we are getting our consciousness?
By the presence of the soul.
By the presence of the
Soul.
soul. Yeah.
Ma'am, in
The
Bhagavad
soul.
Gita classes, ma'am, in Bhagavad Gita classes, will we also learn new languages?
In Bhagavad Gita classes,
In
We'll be
Bhagavad
learning Sanskrit, man.
yeah, we'll be learning Sanskrit.
in
Okay.
the
We are
morning.
learning so many languages out of the school, right? Here we learn the Sanskrit.
Okay, ma'am.
Sanskrit is the mother of all the languages, they say, right?
Yes.
Anupriya,
But
ma'am?
there are also lots of languages around the world.
Oh, who is that? Who wants to learn languages around the world?
Yes.
Is it Ananya?
No, ma'am, it is Atar.
Atha wants to learn the languages.
Ma'am,
Okay, Ananya, you have any doubts? Ananya, Mayan?
ma'am, I want to I have to go outside right now. So is it okay if I leave the class?
What? Yeah?
Ma'am, I have to go outside right now. So
Okay,
is
yeah.
it okay if I leave?
Anupriya, ma'am? What is our soul's food we have learned? Ma'am, done, ma'am?
Sorry, ma'am, what are you saying?
Ma'am, shall we end the class, ma'am, or the
Yes,
slides
yes.
are
If
there?
it is done already, we can end the session.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, kids.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hare Krishna, ma'am.
Hare
Radhe Radhe.
Krishna.
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna, ma'am.